Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, this is the chapter 1, The Lost Child of your class ninth, which is Movements book. Okay, I want to just tell you about the story firstly. Then, this is very interesting story, and when you are going to do this story or read this story has so much fun. Okay, and there is a something question also at the last, which in the last page of the question asked to you. So, firstly, I want to tell you the summary of this chapter. In this chapter, there is a child. Sorry, it was the festival of springs, and winter shades are narrow lanes, and Ellen's emerged a glad humidity. And after that, one the child who is very little boy and running between his father's leg, as you can see in the picture. He is just saying other side, and their mother father is going move on without stop him. Okay, so the boy want everything from Mela, toys, sweets, rasgulla, sweet shops में से उनको सब चाहिए था, बैलून्स, ऐसे फ्लावर्स, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, ठीक है। तो जो बॉय है उसको ये सब नहीं मिलता है, क्यों? बिकॉज हिज फादर इज टू हरी अप, मीन्स वो बोल रहे थे कि इस जल्दी जल्दी चलो, he does not want to buy anything because he don't have so much money to buy these all things. And the when the father and mother both going ahead, for sometimes a roundabout means um wait, I will show you what is roundabout. Roundabout, this is a roundabout means जो जहाँ पे बहुत बड़ा होता है वो, और बहुत सारे बच्चे बैठ के घूमते हैं, कुछ पेरेंट्स में। तो then he just seeing this and stop there. Then the father and mother move ahead, and he stopped over here. When after this, he asked his mother and father that please I want to ride on it. Then he see that no one is there, no one's reply comes, and he turned back and see there is no one. Then he started crying, and one good man, come to him and said that why are you crying, my child? Why are you crying? Please stop crying. I will buy you these all the things. Toys भी दे दिए, लेकिन उसको नहीं लेने थे। उसको कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए था सिवाय उसके मम्मी पापा के. So at last, in the last of the story, it is saying that I will show you. As you can see, he is starting crying now. Um, as you can see at the last paragraph, he does not want anything. Who does not want anything? A child. So he only want his father, mother. And what do you think that his father, mother come back to him? If you said yes, then why? If you said no, then why? Tell me the answer in the comment. Okay. Now let's start with our reading. It was a festival of springs. From the wintry shades of narrow lanes and alleys emerged a gladly glade humidity. Some walked, some rode on horses, others sat, being carried in bamboo and bullock carts. One little boy ran his father's legs, murmuring over with life and laughter. As I told to you, Spring's festival is also coming. Now, Come, child, come, called his parents. As he lagged behind, fascinated by the toys in the shops that lied the way. Means his mother and his father called him that, come child, बेटा यहाँ हो बेटा. फिर उसने सब कुछ पीछे छोड़ दिया था क्योंकि उसको वो सारी चीज़ें उसके काम की नहीं थी. किसके काम की नहीं थी? फादर के काम की नहीं थी, इसलिए उन्होंने पीछे छोड़ दिया. और ना ही उनके पास इतने पैसे थे कि वो जो खरीद सकें जो मन में चाहा. He hurried towards his parents, his feet obedient to their call, his eyes still lingering on the receding toys. As he came to where they had stopped to wait for it, he could not super the desires of his heart, even though he well knew the old cold stare of refusal in their eyes. I want that toy, he pleaded. His father looked at him red-eyed in his family translated way. His mother, melted by the free spirit of the day, was tender and giving him her finger to hold, said, look, child, what is before you? It was a flowering mustard field, pale like melting gold as it swept across miles and miles of even land. Means means in this paragraph, his mother father called him, don't stop, hurry up. Both they are rushed with they all are they his mother and father both rushing. And when the child said that I want that toy, then his father looked him with red eyed, means गुस्से से देखा. एट अ ट्रांसमेंस वे में. ठीक है. देन उसकी मदर को इतना गुस्सा नहीं आया. फिर उन्होंने प्यार से अपने बेटे का हाथ पकड़ा, उंगली पकड़ी. ठीक है. और कहा कि बेटा ये देखो कितना सुंदर मस्टर्ड फ्लावरिंग पेल मतलब येलो, येलो कलर. ठीक है. पेल येलो. ठीक है. और वो कैसा लग रहा था? जैसे जो सनफ्लावर्स होते हैं ना, जो आपके ये सनफ्लावर्स होते हैं, तो ये कैसे होते हैं? ये कुछ इस तरह से होते हैं, ताकि ये जो है ऐसे बहुत सारे हो जाएंगे. बहुत सारे बहुत सारे बहुत सारे बहुत सारे, है ना. तो ये जो चीज़ है, तो ये इस तरह से ऐसे लगता है जैसे ये नीचे गिर रहे हैं. दे ऑल ऑफ आर फॉलिंग डाउन एंड डाउन. ठीक है. इसलिए इसको क्या कहा जाता है? पेल येलो एंड मेल्टिंग गोल्ड. मेल्टिंग तभी तो कहा गया मेल्टिंग, है ना. नाउ a group of dragonflies were bustling about on their gaudy purple wings, intercepting the flight of a lone black bean or butterfly in search of the sweetness from the flowers. The child followed them in the air with his gaze till one of them would still its wings and rest, and he would try to catch it. मीन्स एक ग्रुप था ड्रैगन्स का. किसका? ड्रैगन्स का. किसका था ग्रुप? ड्रैगन्स का. ड्रैगन्स का ग्रुप था. और वो पर्पल विंग्स थे उनके. ठीक है. इंटरसेप्टिंग, ऐसा लगा जैसे फ्लाइट है. फ्लाइट की तरह ही होते हैं. ब्लैक बीन्स मतलब मधुमक्खी थी काली रंग की, ब्लैक कलर की. बटरफ्लाई थी बहुत अच्छी अच्छी फ्लावर्स पे थी। और जो चाइल्ड है वो उनका पीछा करते करते हवा में विद हिज गेज हवा में वो चल पड़ा, मतलब कि हवा में उसको ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो उनको पकड़ रहा है। उनकी विंग्स के साथ वो है, उनकी विंग्स के ऊपर बैठा हुआ है, कुछ भी कर रहा है, उसकी मर्जी है वो तो अब, है ना। और वो पकड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, कितनी सुंदर चीज है, मैं इसको पकड़ लेता हूँ, है ना। नाउ बट it would go fluttering flapping up into the air। उससे पकड़ी ही नहीं जा रही थी, बार बार वो ऊपर जा रही थी, कभी नीचे आ रही थी, ऊपर नीचे, इसलिए पकड़ी ही नहीं जा रही थी। ऑलमोस्ट कॉट इज इन हिज हैंड्स, थोड़ी सी पकड़ में आ जाती थी। देन हिज मदर, आई गई थी बस कि उसी टाइम मम्मी ने मेरे को बुला लिया, कहा कि इधर आ जाओ बेटा, इधर आ जाओ फुटपाथ पे। Then he ran towards his parents gaily and walked abreast of them for a while, being however soon left behind, attracted by the little insects and worms along the footpath that were teeming out from their hiding places to enjoy the sunshine। मीन्स फिर वो जल्दी से भाग के अपने मम्मी पापा के पास आया और थोड़ी देर के लिए रुका, फिर उसने पीछे देखा अपने, उसको एक चीज इंसेक्ट्स ने अट्रैक्ट किया, इंसेक्ट्स वर्म्स जो होते हैं, ठीक है, वो उसने फुटपाथ पे देखा उधर ही साइड में, ठीक है। वो किसी जगह पे छुपे हुए थे, सनशाइन कर रहे थे, मतलब जैसे हम लोग सन बात लेते हैं ना, उसी तरह से सनशाइन भी होता है, सन की तरह शाइन करना। ओके, नाउ कम चाइल्ड कम, his parents called from the shade of the grower where they had seated themselves on the edges of a well। He ran towards them। अब उसके पेरेंट्स ने उसको दोबारा बुलाया, कहाँ से, शेड ऑफ ग्रोवर्स से, ठीक है, वेयर दे हैड सीटेड themselves on the edges, जहाँ पे वो बैठा हुआ था, किसके एजेस पे, वेल के एजेस पे। ही रेन, वो वहां से भागकर आगे आया। A shower of a young flower fell upon the child as he entered the grower, and forgetting his parents, he began to gather the raining petals in his hand. But lo, he heard the cooing of the doves and ran towards his parents, shouting, "The dove, the dove!" The raining petals dropped from his forgotten hands. Now, I think this chapter is coming in two videos. So, in the second video, I will tell you whole chapters, and there are 3 parts which I going to make. First part has already done. In the second part, I'm going to complete the chapter, and in the third part, I am telling you the question answers. Okay, so have a good day. Good night.